When we spot imbalances in the recent pulse wave, we can look to trade with a smart money concepts approach, which I'll go over in the next section. In order to trade the smart money concepts approach, we're going to need to find the order block, which will be the likely area price will return to before it continues with the major trend in the presence of imbalance. This can also be called a point of interest or a POI zone. You'll hear both if you learn about smart money concepts from other traders. Don't worry, they're the same thing. The order block POI zone is thought to be the price level that smart money wants to buy or sell from in order to catch the next pulse. Remember, smart money wants to buy cheap and sell high, or sell high and buy cheap. To find an order block, we're going to use a Fibonacci retracement tool from the beginning of the pulse wave to the recent high and locate the zone between the 61.8% and 80% retracement. In this area, we'll find an institutional candle and draw a zone to put our entry near. The IC candle will be the last down candle before a push for a continuation with an uptrend. Or it is the last up candle before the continuation of a downtrend. Here's an example of a POI zone. On the 15-minute chart, we're noting the area between the 0.618 and 0.8 retracement. Here is the 1-minute chart where we can find the POI zone and the institutional candle, that down candle before the up move. Notice how price returns to the area of the last up candle. If you entered this trade with a 4 pip stop loss, with your take profit near the close of the farthest up candle, you would have returned over 5.6 times what you risked. There are two ways to draw Fibonacci. The first is when there are imbalances in both the first and second wave of the recent higher high, higher low, and higher high. You'll want to draw a bigger Fibonacci from the bottom of the first pulse to the recent high and find your order block on a lower price. However, if there's only an imbalance in the second pulse, then just draw your Fibonacci from the bottom of pulse 2 until the recent high. The order block candle we draw is also known as the institutional candle. There are a few rules for selecting the institutional candle for the right order block. It should be the last down candle before a push up, or the last up candle before a push down, and it cannot be a pin bar.